Do you see all these cars in the background? All of these. Now, what does a car do? It carries you, it drives you. Wherever you want to go, it will just take you there, right? How your journey is going to be, how smooth it is going to be, kitni aasan hogi, kitni comfortable hogi, depends upon the quality of the car, how you have maintained your car, whether you've done or gotten the service done that is required, उसमें fuel है या नहीं, right? All of these things. तो आपको कहीं travel करना होता है, आप हवा भी चेक कराते हैं टायर में है या नहीं, पेट्रोल भराते हैं, गाड़ी की सर्विस कराते हैं, उसको रेडी करते हैं, so that your journey is perfectly fine. You don't get stopped. Happens? Yeah. Now, which is the car or the vehicle of your life? Yes, it's your brain. Now, are you taking care of the brain? क्या आप उसकी maintenance पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं? Are you pausing to refuel yourself? ये ब्रेन आपको चला रहा है, और जैसे आप अपनी गाड़ी का ध्यान रखते हैं, उसकी मेंटेनेंस कराते हैं सो दैट आपकी जर्नी स्मूथ हो, ट्रैवल स्मूथ हो, वैसे ही अगर आपको अपनी लाइफ स्मूथ चाहिए, वैसे ही अगर आपको चाहिए कि हर दिन मज़ा आए, एवरी डे इज़ लाइक वाओ, इट्स जस्ट द वे आई वांट इट एंड आई चूज़ टू स्पेंड माई डे द वे आई वांट इट, देन you've got to really work on this. You've got to take care of it. And when I say take care of it, it means consciously doing the work, looking at what's stopping you, looking at what stands in the way of you living the kind of life that you want, right? And doing the work proactively, consciously, taking charge of it. And if you do that, trust me, the journey of your life is going to be phenomenal. But for that, work is needed, maintenance is needed of this vehicle that carries you, that drives you every day of your life. Yep. I hope you got the message, and I know every person, every individual is doing that little bit of work, but what is really needed, that sense of urgency, that the magnitude of the work that is needed, that will define how amazing it's going to be and how quick it's going to be, right? You can just spend your entire life saying, oh, मैं ये तो कर रहा हूँ, इतना तो कर लिया, पर कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. It's about taking that charge. When your car develops a problem, you just stop everything, you attend to it, right? Because you know you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere. Same way, if this is not taken care of, for all you know, you are already stuck in the middle of nowhere. And you are looking for access, मुझे कोई मदद कर दे, कोई मुझे बता दे क्या करना है. All you need to do is work on this vehicle of yours. And there are innumerable ways how you can work on it to get that peace, to get that awareness, that mindfulness of being in the moment, and really figuring out what is it that you need to work upon. Yeah. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.